Welcome back. Okay, we're going to look at compound interest. Compound interest. All right. So in this case, we're going to be looking at future value / present value. We can use the same formula for both. Formula. Okay, and that is P of t equals P naught, which is our initial value, 1 plus R over N to the NT. Okay, so let's go ahead and define. P naught is our principal, the original amount that we're investing or borrowing, depending what you're doing. R is the rate. T is time in years. And N, we call it our compounding period. So I'm just going to write compound period. Now, what is a compound period? It's the number of times per year interest is calculated. So I'm going to put this here. Number times per year interest is calculated. Okay, that's what our compound period is. So for example, if we're only going to calculate interest once per year, we'd say N equals 1, and we state that as annually. Okay, N equals 2, we call that semi-annually. All right, so you often hear about quarterlies for reports. So what do you think N will equal for a quarterly? Very good, that's right, it equals 4. Okay, and monthly, what would that equal? Good, N equals 12. And then weekly, N equals 52. And daily. Daily used to be 360. Back when they recognized 5 holidays. But our society's gotten a little greedy, especially the finance, and now they're calling daily 365 so they can add on 5 more days of compounding. So the more that you compound, the more money the person who is loaning you the money will be making. Okay, if you want to earn money, you want to get the compounding to be more often. If you're borrowing money, you want to be it as low as possible. Okay, we're going to look at now at continuously. That means if you can imagine continuously compounding, we have a formula for that. So if you see the word continuously, you're going to be using this formula instead. P of t equals P naught E to the RT. All right, so we're going to give an example of a problem that is continuously. Okay. Okay, so here, given P is $10,000, R is 4.1%, and T equals 18 months. Okay, first part of the question, find the future value, which I'm going to call FV. Find the future value where interest is compounded. All right, I'm going to call this little dot annually. Okay, well that's kind of easy. We don't have to do much. Let's see, compounded annually, future value. It did not say continuously, right? It said annually. So we're going to be looking at the other formula where we state P is 10,000. R, what is R? Do we write 4.1%? No. Remember, we have to change it to a decimal without the percent, so go over 2 to the left. R is 0.041. Now t is in years. Can we write 18 years when it's months? No. 18 months is a year and a half, so 1.5. Okay, so compounding annually, n equals 1. Now we can do our problem.